Okay, good morning, everybody. I am going to show you what this assignment is. So our class book of idioms. You should have gotten a page like this. It might not have been colored. It might look more like this. So you can color in these pigs, and this is an example of an idiom, when pigs fly. So that doesn't really mean that somebody's waiting for pigs to fly. It means, yeah, right, it's never going to happen. Okay, so that's an idiom. So what it sounds like it means, that we're really looking for outside for pigs to fly, and what it actually means is it's not going to happen. Yeah, right. Okay, so you should have also received a page like this. So it says my idiom. So this is where, if I was doing the pigs fly, I would have written when pigs fly. What it really means, that it's not going to happen. And then what it sounds like it means, I would draw a picture of pigs flying. Okay, so let's pretend we have the one that says you have a green thumb. Okay, so on here, on my idiom, you would write green. I have a green thumb. And what it really means is that you're good at gardening, or you can make things that grow, or a flower, or things like that. So most of the time we would say, like, gardeners have a green thumb. And then what it sounds like it means, you could draw a picture of your hand, you could trace your hand, and then make your thumb green. So that this down here would be the literal meaning, what it sounds like it means. And then up here, you would actually let us know what it really means. So what I'm hoping you do is complete this idiom page, and you don't need to do all three at a time. I know I sent you each three. You can do one, send a picture of it, or if you do it, if you can send it to my email. Sorry, I was thinking. You can send it to my email, or you can just put it on our classroom, and then we can see what everybody is doing, and we can check in with our work that way. I didn't give this to you digitally, so you won't be able to access it on your computer. I just sent it to you in the mail. So you will have this, and you'll actually have to write on it, draw your picture, and then send us a picture of what you are completing. Thank you so much for doing your work and working hard. Please let me know if you have any other questions. All right, miss you guys. Bye-bye.